Escápate conmigo esta noche, bebé. Te quiero comer, te va a encantar. Tú sabes que conmigo siempre la pasas bien. Te quiero comer.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how to create this to this, then just continue watching. So first things first, we're going to be using a brand that I just found out of. It's called Black Radiance. From what I understand, it is a brand specifically for Black women with luxurious, affordable formulas, and they had some really nice things. As you guys can see, this is what I bought, and we're going to start off by using their Precise pencil. I'm going to go in with the shade Black Suede. Now let me say right off the bat, this formula is so pigmented. I was very light-handed with it because, you guys, it's like blacker than my soul. And if it's blacker than my soul, then we got a good deal here. So I like that it comes with a spoolie because that way we can kind of brush out, soften out the eyebrows. And I'm just drawing them in like I normally would. I then clean them up with a little bit of concealer or foundation, whatever you like to do. I personally like a little bit of concealer and foundation. And then we're going to move on. I'm going to grab a little bit of duct tape, and for this look you do need some duct tape because we are going to create a smoky effect, and we want our lines and our smoky eyeliner to be as sharp as possible. Therefore, the duct tape is really going to like work in your favor. If you are afraid of it pulling on your skin, just do what I did, put it in the back of your hand, pull it off to take some of the stickiness away, and it doesn't hurt, I promise. I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to start with that brown shade that it had. I'm going to go in back and forth to start off on the crease. This is going to create our transition and kind of just like a very soft crease. We don't want to go in too dark on the crease area, therefore we only applied a little bit. Then I'm going to focus my brushes on the eyeliner part where we're going to create the smokiness. Now the smokiness is going to come from applying different tones and different amount of browns. You want to be very light-handed with this. As you can see, I'm just going up on the brush, and then I take a different brush. For this instance, I was taking in a pencil brush, and I'm gonna just go ahead and start smoking it out. I'm going to take a smudger brush, and we're just going to go in with a darker brown. The more brown or the more eyeshadow you put, the darker it gets. So it might look like I'm using different colors, but if you take your time and really apply and blend, you're going to start getting that smokiness effect, which is what you want for this look. You don't want to get too carried away and go in with black, so you want to work in slowly. As you can see now, after I got a good amount of brown and that smokiness that I wanted, I went in with a little bit of eyeliner, and I literally put it on the tape. You don't want to put it on your eye because you don't want the black to overpower. And just with the smudger, you just want to bring it in, smudge it out, bring it in. Don't go too heavy-handed and too harsh, because once you go dark, it's kind of hard to lighten it up. So it's better to work in small sections, you guys. You want to put your eyelashes, and I was actually very obsessed with these eyelashes, and they were like $4. And I'm just applying a little bit of eyeliner and smudging it out just to give it that smokiness effect, of course. And we're moving on to foundation. Now, the foundation itself was very thick, which, you know, a thick foundation is never bad. It was full coverage. The only thing is that it had a lot of yellow undertone to it. For my skin tone, I don't mind yellow undertones, but I know that, you know, some people don't have a lot of yellow, but for darker skin tones, we tend to have more yellow. And this isn't the lightest shade that they had, which was butterscotch. And the only thing that I didn't like, that it was kind of picking up foundation as I was blending it around the nose. I don't know if it was just my beauty blender or what, but that was the only thing I disapproved of the foundation. Other than that, I was okay with the yellow undertone, and I like that it was full coverage. I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of the Tarte Shape Concealer. and I'm gonna go ahead and set everything. I kind of fast forward because I do a lot of like the face makeup, so if you want to learn how I do my face makeup, then I will leave the link down below on my updated foundation and highlight and contour routine, because it's basically the same thing on like all of them. So unless I get new products and I try out, I won't really change it. And as you can see, I'm just kind of baking and cleaning up, and I decided to smoke out the bottom. I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. I'm like talking way too fast. And we're going to smoke out the bottom eye, and then we're going to go in with this beautiful highlight. And this highlight is in the shade Rose Gold. You guys, it has become one of my favorite highlights. It is so pigmented, so creamy. It doesn't get flaky, and it's just everything you look for in a highlighter. Then I'm going to go in with this lipstick, and this is in the shade Red Carpet. As you can see, it is red, and it was kind of glossy. It wasn't necessarily a matte lipstick, even though it did say that it was matte, which I didn't mind though. And a little bit of Fix Plus, and ba-ding ba-boom, your look is complete. I hope you guys like it, love it, hate it, whatever, just enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Love you.